Farmers aren't harvesting their crops alone. John Deere is right there beside them, keeping them safe for their families while helping provide food for yours. John forged and sold his first plow in 1837. 10 years later, John Deere was producing 1,000 plows a year. In those early years of his business, Deere laid down several precepts that have since then been followed faithfully by the company. Among them was his insistence on high standards of quality. John Deere vowed, "I'll never put my name on a product that does not have in it the best that is in me." John Deere. Performance to get the job done. The job to give food to the world.